Hello, please type in your questions if you have any in the questions window. Then where it says ask a question, and I'll be glad to answer those questions. It says ask a question. I'll be glad to answer your questions. This is some audio issues, repeating myself.
If you have any questions, just type it into the questions box, and also to sign out, go to the audience chat box and type your first name, last name, and the state for which you're requesting credit. Give it just a few more seconds.
We had one question from Dr. David Riley. The question is, do you have to worry about flaring mites, with certain insecticides like neonics? You know, with any broad spectrum insecticides, you have to have some concerns about flaring secondary pest problems. When it comes to mites, especially pyrethroids are the worst. You always, if you have any concerns with mite infestations, you want to avoid pyrethroid applications as much as possible. Any more questions? Is there any, next question, is there any problem of any of the insecticides flaring mites? Again, simple, yes. Pyrethroids in general are really bad when it comes to flaring mites. If you have any issues, avoid those. And we have lots of those actually in SWD management programs for conventional systems. Zeta-cypermethrin is one, and there are bifenthrin and other materials as well. That's one reason why we tested those reduced risk programs for SWD, specifically to avoid applications of those pyrethroids, or at least minimize applications of pyrethroids in blueberry systems in general. Did I see you say Movento was good material on bud mites? I don't see that on the label. I don't think we specifically tested that. It was mentioned, it was tested for gall, midge, and thrips issues. And also, this can be a good material for scales as well. It really did a good job for gall midge. For up to 3 weeks, it did show some efficacy. But that did not translate into thrips time for blueberries. So we are going to be doing some trials this year to make applications during gall midge time, and also new separate applications for thrips in the same fields to see how that works out. Any other questions? I don't see any more questions right now. If you have any, please type in. We don't have any more questions, so thank you again very much for joining in the session. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me directly via email at ashsial@uga.edu, and I'll be glad to respond. Thank you all very much.